everyone. My name is Antonio Maio. I'm a Managing Director with Protiviti and a Microsoft MVP. I'm really excited to be with you at the Microsoft 365 Community Conference this year in Orlando, Florida, from April 28th to May 3rd. I'll be giving a full-day workshop on Friday, May 3rd on a deep dive into data protection with Microsoft Purview. In this all-day workshop, we'll review how to implement an enterprise-wide data protection program for both unstructured and structured data. We'll deep dive into configuring and deploying Microsoft Purview Information Protection, data loss prevention, insider risk management, and Microsoft Purview Data Governance. We'll also review industry best practices for change management to help you roll out each of these solutions so that users remain productive and protections are automatically applied. I hope to see you in Orlando this year. Please join me on Friday, May 3rd to learn about how to effectively implement a data protection program with Microsoft Purview.